guys, and welcome to my new video. So today's video is going to be my current beauty favorites slash get ready with me. As you can tell, I've already done my eyes and eyelashes. That's just because I don't really have a current favorite. I just use whatever and just thought I would throw something on. And yeah, let's get on into it. So I've already prepped my face. So I'm just going to go with foundation. And the foundation I'm going to use is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is in warm beige. This is an oldie but a goodie. I've spoken about this one on my channel before. I don't know if you could tell, but I have tried to do something new with my hair. You know that like euphoria hairstyle, but I don't know. I'm really bad at hair. I don't know how to do it. It's just, yeah. So if you're watching this and you do know how to do hair and you have tips, definitely let me know. I have really thin hair, like really thin hair, and it's quite fine as well. Like it knots really easily. So you know, if you've got any tips and tricks, because I've watched YouTube videos and they just really don't help me at all. Anyways, for the next step, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Concealer. This is in the shade Light 180. It just really sits well. It's pretty coverage, like full coverage. You really can't go wrong with this concealer. So for my next step, I'm going to bronze. I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer. I want to get the full size. I mean, I just have it. I've been like working out and trying to, you know, just be like a normal person. So hard, like I feel like I'm gaining more weight than I am actually losing, so, and it's stressing me out because like I've really changed out like my nutrition and like my food intake and my workout and all that fun stuff, so I don't know what to do. So if anyone again has any advice, let me know. I've got some new stacks clothing, which is fun and exciting. Motivates me more to want to work out. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm going in with setting powder, and the one I've been really like just using, going back to lately, has been the KOKO Beauty setting powder. Beautiful. I just really like this combination because my skin looks so nice and poreless. Well, I mean in person anyway. I know how it's looking on camera. But then I'm going to go in with the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. So the next step is blush, and I'm going in with the MAC Prism Matte Blush. Well, Prism is the name of the shade. I've had this one for a while, and I've also spoken about this in a couple of other videos, so it's not new, but I just really love it. It's just that nice, subtle. Now we've got all the powder products and my base basically set, I'm going to go in with a setting spray, and I'm going in with the It Cosmetics Your Skin Better. So I'm just going to use this just to kind of set everything in, and so we've got like a nice clean, like one layer So just off camera, I quickly done the lower lashes and mascara. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. However, I just used the iconic London mascara. This is a triple threat. Really love this. It's such a just a classic, nice mascara. And then I went in with the Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette by Colourpop. Just looks like this. I've spoken about this before. I really love it, and it's just an all-round cool package. They're very pigmented, so affordable, and just great shade range. Like, you have so many others. I've also just placed a huge order, well, not really huge, but a pretty large order on Colourpop. So once that comes in, I will film a haul for you guys. So the next step is going to be brows, and I'm going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. Everyone knows how this looks. You have the spoolie on one, or the cream, and then the product on the other end. Honestly, I'm not going to try too hard trying to get these brows so even. It's just not going to happen. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Now for highlight, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in the shade Lightning Dust and Crystal Fire. Just looks like this. We all know what her products are. So, and then I'm going back in with the same setting spray as I used before. Okay, so last but not least, we've got my lips to do. I don't know if this look is all going to come together, if it's going to look. However, these are just what my favourites are at the moment, so let's go. I've got the KOKO by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Handbag. A bit excited, okay. So, I'm going to line my lips with this. The lipstick I'm going to go over it with is the Becca Yours Truly. This is the collab with Malika and Khloe Kardashian. Just looks like this, a beautiful like peachy nude. And then the final step is the Makeup Revolution Gloss Bomb or Lip Topper in Exquisite. Alright, so that was my current beauty favourites, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any other items that were not in this video that you find a favourite of yours at this very moment, or a ride or die hard holy grail product, definitely comment that below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.